want a lot for Christmas.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Lipton Chocolate. So today we're gonna do a get ready with me to go to a bike show. So the Falcon team doing a bike show and your girls got to go. So I got to have a now go buy got to be glue and I go buy one other ear. I'll put it for December. But so yeah, I go on the road now. So they're gonna come with me. But they want like me literally forgot to make a do and get ready with me. But it's still a go go. Look at me, I'm outside. So guys, me reaching at the ear store. I'm gonna buy the ear and the glue. So guys, I'm gonna get the ear I want, but I get the got to be glued. So I just go in a Chinese OCL to get some food items and then go back on my house. So guys, I don't want my pocket. I don't want these to exceed $1,000, but it looks like they're exceeding. Alright. Don't want it. Okay guys, so I have a paper 1 to do 12:45 because I'm doing paper 2 this morning because I know it's an exam time. So I need to reach over by them time then. I need to comb out my ear so I can put on the wig later on. So guys, I reach home as you see because I know somebody's off. So I'm going to comb up my hair, get the camera, go back, and then I'm going to proceed to put on the wig. But the thing is that I have an exam 12:45 and after 12, maybe 12:20 something now, but let's see how it goes. So guys, I'm camera my ear by myself. What I look like? I'm gonna have the ear in the bag here, so I'm gonna put it in now. I never been with a body. She comes so add it to the telly. Madison bum color muddy. Like send me that addy. What's up right to the air? Woo! Watch nice wig. Big up my auntie for the nice clean wig. Big up my friend Saquin for the nails. I'm showing them my nails properly. Yes, people, the girl I go out. I think I got offer you now, you know, cause I'm going to be meeting up with my mentor. She's in Kingston and I want to link up with her. So maybe I'll be going to offer you before I go to the party. So my babies, look at my diamonds, look at my gold. I'm so pretty. I'm so outstanding, period. So I gotta beat my friend. She said we're gonna check some records. So let's see. This is the fit. I do want to wear something more elegant, but I'm like, no. Nah, I'll be looking like a thug today. Period. So guys, I'm gonna meet my mentor at Offer Tree. So let's go with me. Jesus, I'm not like travel on my phone. I didn't on my phone at 14. So I'm gonna lock it off completely. But one day she's gonna call me that I have a problem. So I'm just gonna just lock it off. You see, I'm gonna reach a tree, I call her back. So guys, I know I'm going to get copyrighted, but I'm still at talk too, no? I know I'm gonna get copyrighted, right? the blue lights are out, guys. Party down. Them come and them take for the sound. Them stop the party. We need justice.